So are you leveraging your BAH to purchase a home, or have you considered it? I've spoken to many servicemen and women who have told me that one of the biggest mistakes that they've made is not purchasing a property using their housing allowance. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mondays with Mario. I'll be going over a series for the next couple of weeks on how to buy a property using your BAH, what to look for, and how to make sure that your BAH covers your entire mortgage payment. The Basic Allowance for Housing, or BAH, is one of the most important military service allowances that is available to you. Now, its purpose is to offset the cost of housing for active service members who are not provided with government living facilities. Now, the use of your military BAH is not limited to renting, and many service members put their BAH or that income towards purchasing a home. Now, in most situations, your military housing allowance should cover the entire monthly VA mortgage payment. So the amount of BAH money that you receive, it really depends on a variety of factors, including your pay grade, which location you're stationed at, and whether or not you have any dependents. So depending on your duty zip code, your monthly BAH can fluctuate anywhere between a couple of dollars up to the hundreds. Now, this allowance is tax-free and can go towards your VA loan payments, insurance, as well as your utilities. And although military BAH rates are determined on a yearly basis, now the Department of Defense has put safeguards in place to ensure that the housing allowance rate does not decline from year to year. So your rate will not go down unless you experience a change in either dependent status, pay grade reduction, or you transfer to a lower cost of living area. So this pay rate protection gives both the lenders and the service members confidence in the BAH funding for the long term. So in order to verify your military housing allowance, lenders use your leave and earnings statement, or your LES. And once it's verified, your BAH funds are treated like any other income, but it does have one key difference. So since these funds are non-taxable and usually your debt to income ratios is calculated using pre-tax income, the lender will adjust your BAH amount to estimate what a pre-tax number would normally look like. So this means that you may qualify for a larger loan amount with your BAH funds than you would using that same amount with normal taxable income. Let's take a look at this example of basic allowance for housing rates to better understand how location, pay grade, and dependents affect your rate. So in 2020, a service member with an E4 pay grade in San Diego would have a monthly allowance of about $2,694 per month with dependents. And if you don't have dependents, you're looking at about $2,100 a month. So that means that you could purchase a property around the $550,000 range and have your BAH cover your mortgage payment, your taxes, as well as your insurance. Now, VA loans are 100% loan to value. Now, this means that you do not have to put any money down, and you are also exempt from paying PMI, or known as private mortgage insurance. If you're looking to use your BAH for a VA home loan, our team here at Pendulum Realty Group is committed to assessing your specific situation and providing both superior service and knowledge to our active service members and veterans alike. And whether you're just looking for information or you're ready to get the process started, we're here to help. Call us at 760-562-8121. Thanks for tuning in to this week's show. Look forward to catching you guys on next week's episode.